Like, it was a post that I posted between me and Clarence. It was like a funny text message or whatever. And it was just something funny or whatever. I deleted it. I don't want to bring it back up. But like, people were really they were sharing it. Like, y'all don't understand how bad on Twitter that I get dragged. I get dragged so bad on Twitter. And I think it's like a trend that it's like a trend to drag me on Twitter. Like, they have this whole I blame QUEENNAIJA thing going on for literally everything that happens. And I just be so like, it's funny to me now because like I'm really not bothered, but it's just like, why are y'all that mad? So I was clapping back at a couple of people the other night, and I called this girl a blowfish or whatever. But it's like, you shouldn't be calling me the B word. And I just feel like if you don't like something, if you don't like a post, or if you don't like anything, like, it's really so easy. It's not that hard to just scroll past. You know what I'm saying? But anywho, your eyes are so magical. Thank you. I don't know what's so magical about them. But anyway, dang, I didn't even come on here for that. I came on here really to tell you that, just to tell you guys that Hate Art Love is doing really, really good. We just reached 3 million views, I think, on YouTube for the video. And the song is just doing really, really good as far as streams and stuff like that. The radio stations are playing it. So I'm just really happy. Like, I'm getting playlisted still. I just got playlisted in the UK. So it's doing very, very good. And London. Yeah, I'm so excited to come to London. I'm doing Wireless, the Wireless Festival. It will be my very first time going overseas, y'all, because I've been to like Jamaica, St. Lucia. Those were only like 2-hour flights. But I've never been like to the UK or like Europe or anything. But I come in July, you guys, and I'm just so super excited. I'm really scared about the flight though, but I heard the flight's not that long. It's like a 7-hour flight, although I hate being in the air for that long. But I'm going to London. I'm going to London, y'all. I'm so happy. If you guys are from London, tell me where I should go to eat, because I heard the food is, different. Of course it would be, because it's a different place. But just give me some places to eat. I like pizza, burgers. Really, I shouldn't be eating that stuff. But, like, I'm sure the healthy stuff is just, like, healthy stuff isn't good. You know? It don't taste good. I mean, unless you super, like, season it like crazy. London is a vibe. But I can't wait to go out there, be taking pictures out there by the buildings and stuff. Shake Shack. They have a Shake Shack there. I heard LMA told me that they have really good Jamaican food, so maybe I could try some Jamaican food out there. And then also, I know I'm jumping from subject to subject, but the people that are asking me about my hair growth, if you guys truly want your hair to grow, the products that are used in my hair, I go to the same lady. Her name is Atlanta Hair Doctor. And even if you're not in Atlanta, you can order her products. Atlanta Hair Doctor is Black owned, and she has like gummies, hair growth oil, shampoo. She has like hair mask and things of that sort. So if you want your hair to grow, I promise you it works. Yo, I cut my hair up to here. Like, I cut my hair like chop chop, and then ever since she started growing it back, ever since she started doing my hair, it started growing back. Will you ever wear it curly again? I was on this like phase, I think maybe 2020, where that's why I chopped my hair off, because I was trying to get my curls back. And I was like, oh, I'm gonna only wear it curly. I didn't straighten my hair for like 8-9 months. And honestly, like, it worked bringing my curl pattern back. But then I realized I really don't care about wearing my hair curly. I just washed my hair. Well, I got my hair wet the other day, and I noticed that my curls are still there. It's just like longer curls, like looser, because my hair got longer. So when your hair is shorter, your curls are tighter. when you cut it. I cut my hair. Did I cut my hair? I don't even remember what year. It was definitely around my album release. And my hair was like, it was growing a little bit, but until I started going to her, like, it really just started growing fast. Okay, let me eject this. Let me see if it'll eject. All right. What's up, What's up, brother? Baby, welcome to the party. What are y'all talking about? Why have a Chi collab? Oh, does anyone know? This is my mouse to my MacBook. Like yesterday, it told me that the battery was dead, like dying, so I need to charge it. So I took it off my keyboard, the charger, and I put it on my MacBook. Now I took it off because it should be charged. Like it's literally not working, and it's on. It's turned on. Like the thing is green, but it's like I don't see it. Somebody please help me. What do I do? I can't even like work my MacBook because this is not working. This is so annoying. Dang. Freaking annoyed. Somebody help. Why is no one commenting anymore? I don't see any more comments. Oh, probably Bluetooth. You might need to reconnect it. That's how these things work, babes. Conversation. That's crazy. You talking loud as F. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna stop talking that loud because maybe it's. Well, turn your damn phone down then. Hell. Anywho, what was I gonna say? Okay, first off, I'm gonna tell y'all the video we're doing. So if you guys follow the Royal Family or subscribe to the Royal Family, me and Clarence did a styling each other video, like with Target clothes, and it had to be $100 or under $100, and that was our video, whatever. So like we was gonna make it a series, but we never really did. So we just ended up never doing it. So what we did today was went to the thrift store, Goodwill, and we had to style each other like in this season, one outfit, and we had to see who I guess gonna win. Y'all, it was literally so hard to find clothes for men in the thrift store. Like, and I asked the lady, and she said because women donate clothes more. Like they donate more clothes than men. And then of course women are probably thoughtful. They're like, oh well, no girl will want to wear this, so let me just throw it away. They probably donate really cute stuff. And then men just donate anything. I seen a pair of shoes that had mud all in the creases and the crevices. Like, why would you donate that? Clean the shoes first. And they literally had no shoes for the men or at all there. They had no options for the men. They had like t-shirts with schools on it. And I'm like, bro, y'all have to up y'all thrift store game, like donation game. So I'm gonna start donating some cute stuff to the thrift stores because they had nothing. Well, the men didn't have anything. The girls did, so I don't know. What else? Okay, so that was the first thing I had to say. So that's the video that we did. yeah, that's the video that we did. So I'm sure you guys will enjoy that. And then this is what I want to say. The camera do not do me justice. Like, it really don't. But for the most part, it don't do my body justice. It don't do my booty justice. The camera makes my butt look so big. And I promise you guys, in person, if you ever see me in person, I am not this big. But my butt looks really, really big on camera. I was like looking at the video, pulling up the video to send off to the editor. And like I was showing myself like going through the clothes from the back. And my butt looked humongous, like really, really big. And I promise y'all that my camera is not, I mean, not my camera. My butt is not that big. My butt looked like really, really big. Like really big on camera. And I was just like, why it look like my thighs don't match on the camera? And my thighs do match. Like my butt looked really big on camera. I promise you, if you ever see me in person, I'm smaller, I'm shorter. Let me see something. Let me see something. Okay, so right now, let me see. This is what I have on. If I turn around right now, my butt looks like huge. And it's not that big. I promise y'all my butt is not this big. It's really not. Like, and like it looks regular size in person. So if you ever see a picture of me and be like, oh, that girl did too much or whatever, that's really not what it is. I love the beauty mark on your nose. Thank you. Fun fact. Excuse me, I might have COVID. Fun fact, I used to hate this mole. I used to hate this mole on my nose. I wanted to go away so bad. I used to get made fun of in school. This boy named, what was his name? Demetrius. This boy named Demetrius in the 3rd grade. The 2nd grade. No, was it? Yeah, it was a 3rd grade. This boy named Demetrius in the 3rd grade or the 4th used to call the mole on my nose a dead ant. They said that well, he said, well, my nose was probably smaller, so the mole probably looked bigger. But he said like an ant crawled on my nose and I slapped it and I smashed it and it just died there. So I used to hate it, but I've learned to love it. I learned to love the mole on my nose. I have those everywhere. I have also one on my eye. See, I have one on my eye right here. It's more meaty. It's like a meaty mole. It's like not one of those moles that are flat. It's like this is a beauty mark. This is the actual mole. Like, I want to pull it off. Like, it's a meaty mole. And then I have these two right there. And then I have that one right there. And I have a lot more too. Like, I have a lot more moles all over my body. Or beauty marks. And yeah, Demetrius could go, well, I don't want nobody to go to hell, but that was bold. I just learned to like love the little parts of like my body that I can't like change. Like, I really can't change certain things on my body. So I just had to learn to like love it. Oh, skin tags. Okay, I have a skin tag on my eye. Yeah, there's certain parts of my body that I just had to like be like, okay, queen, that's never gonna change. Like, you had a BBL, okay. You had a tummy tuck, okay. Like, there's just certain parts that I can't change. Like, I have like right here, like above my navel, I've always like I had a hernia and they got rid of it, but like there's always this little dent right there. I have a dent right there on the top of my navel, and it's just gonna have to be there. Oh well, it's a dent. My hips have always been pointy. I've always had pointy hips, right? Even when I was a teenager, before any kind of surgery, I had I always had like my hips were always like triangles. Like, always like triangles, like that, like triangles. It never was like just perfectly round like that. Like, it never was perfectly round. They're like triangles. And then after I got a BBL, I thought it would go away. I thought it would be super round. And no, it's not. It's not super round. It still is. That was just my shape. So it still falls into that slope of triangleness. So you know what? If my hips is pointy, oh well. Like, oh well. Oh well. I got pointy hips. Like, who cares? Like, I used to really hate it. But hey, it is what it is. Pointy hips, dented stomach, pimples, skin tag, mole. You can see the veins through my freaking skin. See, you can see all my veins. Look at that. Oh well, I just have to learn to live with it because I can't change it. You can't be perfect. Can you give us a drip advice video, like show what not to wear? I'm still learning what not to wear, y'all. I had to learn myself. Dead ant. Why is my comments going so slow? Like, they're going super slow. Like, it's a lag. Because y'all, I'm seeing stuff that's like about what I said before. Like 3 minutes before. What is this one? Curves. Okay, I'm talking a lot, so probably just gonna get off of here. And no, I'm not high because I don't smoke. How to get your skin so smooth? To be honest with y'all, it's really not that smooth. I have a little concealer like under my eyes. I have a pimple right here. Well, it's flat now, but it's like more like a mark. I'm trying to get rid of it. It's not really that smooth. But I use Charette Cosmetics by Porstar. And it works really, really, really well. I kind of messed myself up by... I took a Plan B pill like maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago. And once I do that, like, my skin is just going crazy. So literally my skin is still trying to heal from that pill. So my skin is trying to get back to where it is. I think I'm done with those though. I'm done with them. I'm done with them. And I have birth control. I have the patch, but I still haven't put it on yet. I don't know why. I'm just super scared. Like, cause I was on my, well, I'm still on my fitness journey, but I went to Disney, so like a lot of things had, like, you know, I got thrown off track a little bit. But like, I was on my fitness journey, so I don't know like if it's gonna blow me up. I know birth control like just is Queen Plan B is gonna stop working for you. You know what? I'm not gonna take anymore. I'm not. I mean, I probably said that about 7 Plan Bs ago, but I'm gonna stop taking them. So I'm just gonna do it. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I don't know. I still have to do it. Does anyone have the patch? Anybody on here? And how does it work? Like, did it make you gain weight? Like, so that's why I have the twirler patch, but I have to put it on. But I just keep not doing it. I really don't want no more kids. Okay, Queen, focus on what you were doing. Focus. Okay, where did it start? Okay, I think it started right here. Let's see. Open. No, open up.
Yeah, so they got the music busting right now. So I'm gonna have to do short clips, but we're here now.
He said the same thing I said. How cute.
We're in the denim section. I think we're gonna find Queen some jeans.
Okay, we're gonna go off of here. That was dumb loud just now. Your room looks so good. Are we gonna get a tour? Oh, hold on, wait. Oh, I'm missing. Hold on, I'm missing the comments. Sorry. Hold on. I got pregnant on the patch and had twins? Oh, no, that is crazy. What? You got pregnant on a patch? Oh, no. And had twins? That's crazy. I used a patch when I was a teenager. It was great for me. No weight gain. Cool. Okay, IUD. I don't want to do IUD. I heard too many horror stories with that. They got stuck and all that stuff. Get your daughter, then we could tie your tubes. I don't even know if I need a daughter, y'all, to be honest. Patchwork's good for me still. Bought your vinyl album. Thank you for buying my album. Does your top lip hurt? No, why? What's wrong with my top lip? This is just my top lip. And I had got fillers before, but that was like in the beginning of 2021 or the end of 2020. I don't remember when, and that's gone. So these are my lips. Just have them like some stuff on it, some lip stuff, lip balm or whatever. No depot shot, because I cannot be consistent with taking it. I will miss it. My cousin had a girl in her tubes. Ah, oh, from what? The patch? The Paragard is the best option for you. I got pregnant on the patch. Oh, no. Okay. Why people saying they got pregnant off the patch? Birth control implant will stop your period and make you gain weight. No. Because I think you need to release all that. I really don't want to stop my period. I don't want to stop periods. I mean, it's really, you're supposed to have them to release all of that old stuff. What's the weather in Georgia right now? It's pretty, it's turning to, the sun is going down, so it's kind of probably gonna get older. Pull out the best option. Condoms, birth control destroys your body. Yeah. Oh, have you guys ever heard of a VCF? Don't do it, sis. I'm telling you. Depot, one shot, everything. I'm gonna miss it. Oh, no. The depot shop gonna make me gain weight. My doctor told me that, Dr. Jackie. Paragard IUDs to severe. You definitely need your period. Witness 3 persons. What? You witnessed 3 persons died. Why would you put that on here? From what? Where they died from? The birth control? I mean, I know that sounds really insensitive, but why would you put it on here? And then you put the crying face. Like, I would never put emoji next to. Okay. Anyway, I know you see my comment queen. I don't know who this is though. Hold on. What's your favorite scene from the Hate I Love music video? I'm all ears listening though. They use Depot to make cows gain weight. Shut up. That's what I be eating when I eat beef. Depot shots. I've never taken anything scared of symptoms. Paragard. I have been on Depot for 3 years. No weight gain. I guess it's different for everybody, but I feel like I'm the kind of person that, you know, can gain weight easily. So I think it would definitely make me gain weight. Try the next Nexplanon. It's an arm. Yeah, the arm. I don't want nothing inside my arm. When am I coming to New Orleans? New Orleans? Is that how you say it? New Orleans? I don't know. Probably next time I have a show. I mean, can you see the hook? The Hate I Love. No, I'm not pregnant. No, I'm not pregnant. No. Absolutely not. Love you too, Mama Sandra. Can you listen to my cover of your song? Been trying. You're gonna read my comment. You're gonna read my comment. Aaliyah Monet Medicine cover. Let's see. Let's pull it up. I'm about to pull up your cover. Let's go on YouTube.com. Here they go. Why do this? I always see stuff. Just got on YouTube. Aaliyah Monet Medicine cover. Let's see if it. Okay, hold on. Wait, that's spelled right. Aaliyah. Okay. Is with an EA. Okay. That's cute. Let's pull it up. This is what I'm gonna say. I could tell I can tell that you actually have a good voice. I don't know where you recorded it, but the engineer, you gotta tell him to turn the auto-tune down. There's different auto-tunes, like there's different kind of like levels. And sometimes you could be on the right note. No, for real. And the auto-tune make you do the wrong note. Kid you not. Like, I be in the studio and I'm like, turn the auto, like turn this down. Like, maybe sometimes that make me sound crazy. And even if it's just like a little tune, it's okay if it's just a little bit tuned. But like it can't. Let me put the light back on. You can't you gotta have it on the right levels, because on some of the, like, I can tell you have a good voice, but I can just tell the auto tune is really throwing it off. Who's that? Who's that? Hi, Legend. Come here, Papa Bear. Hi, Monique. I'm on live.
I saw you was on there, so I'm trying to keep going.
Come here, Leggy boy. Hi, Papa Bear. Come to Mama. Have a hug. Have a hug. He pushing his little bus in here. Come here, look. He pushing his little bus. This is his little bus he pushing in here. Come here. No. So how you gonna come in my room but not speak to me? Rude kid. Crazy baby.
I'm crazy and you never have a clue. Give another guy everything that belongs to you. I'm a call Brian, I'm a face and Brian.
I can tell you don't have a bad voice. It's just an auto-tune, that's all. But I feel it. I want to hear you without it. Legend, come here, baby boy. Mommy wanna kiss, kiss, kiss. Mommy wanna kiss, kiss, kiss. Mwah, thank you. You want to watch Gracie's Corner? No, I can. Never mind, because then I'm gonna get you started, and then you're gonna want to take over my laptop. Say hi, baby. Ouch. Who's that? Legend be acting funny, y'all. He be acting like every time he on camera, he don't want to say anything. You okay? Why are you acting crazy? You don't do that. Why your heart beating so fast?
Bubbles.
Where? Where the bubbles? Oh, y'all, he's looking at the hearts on the side of the thing go up. And he's saying bubbles. He think it's bubbles. That's bubbles, baby. Watch Legend laugh at Clarence slapping me. Watch this. On the, you know it's hard out here for a pimp. Push that out. Hold on, wait. Come here, Legend, look. I want to show you something. What's that say? What mommy typing?
QUEENNAIJA.
QUEENNAIJA. Look, Legend.
Instagram.
Instagram. What's this?
Tweet.
Push that shit up.
Wait.
I have a whole lot of bitches jumping shit.
He think it's so funny. That's not funny.
I have a whole lot of bitches jumping shit. Push that shit up.
All right. Let me stop before you start cursing.
We have a whole.
Oh, don't say it. Don't.
kitchen.
Oh, never mind.
We have a whole.
Don't say that, okay? Mommy not gonna play it no more. Don't play it no more. Okay, go play Legend. Go play Legend. CJ's downstairs with his tutor. Can you shut my door? Legend, Shut my door. Close my door. Don't jump on that. Legend. No, not that door. This one. Come close mommy door. Legend. Come close my door. All right. Anywho, what you want, Papa? No, no. Here, I'll give you some. I'll give you some, but don't open it on my floor. Here, this boy loves cranberries. Here.
Get on that boat.
Here. Cranberries, look. All right. So, yeah, I'm about to get off of here because it's time. Oh, you want a bowl? Okay, here, let me put you some in there. Here, here, give me the bowl. Here, look, I put it in there. Yay, yummy. You laughing, Mo? This song is so cute. It's so many,
Hi, Dominique.
That's not Dominique.
I'm Monique.
Hi, Monique.
Hey, Legend.
You don't say Momo no more?
When I got the car, he said, Monique. I said, I'm not Monique.
Hi, Momo. Is he? How did he? I think he took a nap today.
He was good. What's his band-aid on his elbow?
Maybe he hurt himself. The school put it on there probably. You thought you was doing something today. Okay, I'm a little I'm looking at these comments. So happy seeing you. What's up, Armand? Oh, that's my brother.
Oh, he's still on.
Oh yeah. That's my brother. Oh my God, Legend is copying off the thing. We'll have a whole lot of jumping.
She did that.
Oh, he's saying
What?
push that out. He's saying shush out.
That's funny.
Not funny. Not funny, Legend. I'm gonna say not funny, but I don't know where I played it. I gotta step in. Oh yeah, I think that's cute.
Thank you. It's a little dry. Good job, baby.
It's mommy to you, Legend. Say mommy. It's not QUEENNAIJA.
I think he was just reading.
Naija. Oh, he reading the sign?
Yeah.
QUEENNAIJA. I had to tell people that my name is QUEENNAIJA. They had started making me call myself QUEENNAIJA with an I. Naija. But it's really Naija.
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 I done heard so many people say your name wrong.
I done heard Naija. I done heard Naija. I done heard Naija. Naija's cute though. Naija. No, Najee. I heard somebody call me Najee. That's cute. Najee is cute. But it's Naija. I can't believe that. Alright, y'all. I'm about to get off live because I gotta focus. And I have to plan my life out with Monique, so. My life got to get planned out. I'm probably going to get on live later on tonight, though, and do a talent show again. Alright? Alright. Alright. Peace the hell out. Peace out. Oh, wait, huh? How do I go?